Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the search bar is not working on your Windows so you cannot type with it. So let's go quick into the process. Press the Control plus Shift plus Escape keys on your keyboard to open the Task Manager window. Now maximize this. In the search bar, simply type search. Now once you find that, make a right click, select End Task, and then search for Explorer. Right click on it and then select the restart option and see if that helped you fix the issue. Next method, click on the start button, click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply look for privacy and security. Click on that. Now once you are in this window, simply scroll down and you will find searching windows. Scroll down and you will find advanced indexing options. And here you need to click on advanced and click on the rebuild button. Click on OK. And let's wait in a while until the process is done. Now once done, click on close. Then click on the indexer troubleshooter. So the search and indexing troubleshooter, this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. You just need to click on select all that apply. Click on next. And you need to wait for this to fix the issue for you, as this will automatically fix the issue for you. And then for the final method, we also need to make sure that we are running the latest version of our Windows by clicking on Windows Update in the list of options on the left pane and click on this button. So once our Windows operating system is updated, we rarely face an issue with it. So make sure that you are up to date. Once done, close this and you just need to access into your Windows search bar again, and this time it will work. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.